Justin, it's time to wake up.
Hey, what the hell are you doing in here? Can't you see I'm trying to get my beauty sleep here?
Don't you dare talk back to me, young man. You better get your ass out of bed right now or I'm taking away your precious iPhone.
Okay, fine. You stupid bitch.
Alright, Ivy. It is time to wake up.
Ugh. What do you want, Dad? It is 6 in the goddamn morning.
Hey, watch your mouth. You better get downstairs and get ready for school.
This is going to suck a lot of.
Damn it. Another stupid day of school. When is this going to end?
I agree, Justin. There has to be a way for us to not go to school every day. Hey Justin, look over there. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Hell yeah! We can pull the fire alarm so that we won't have to go to school ever again. Let's go. Oh, excuse us. We were just about to pull the fire alarm.
That's funny, because I was about to do the same thing. By the way, who are you?
I'm Ivy.
And I'm Justin. Who are you?
I'm Violina. Hey, let's all pull the fire alarm together.
Great idea, Violina.
On the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Attention staff and students of Violina Middle School. I am here to inform you that this was only a false alarm. Someone must have pulled the fire alarm to prank everybody in this school. Whoever knows about this incident, please report to the principal's office and give your explanation. Hello, Andrew or Roscoe. Do you know anything about the false fire alarm?
Yes, sir. I have captured the whole thing on video. Would you like to see it?
Sure.
On the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Well. Violina is at it again. And 2 more people also pulled the fire alarm with her. Ivy, Justin, and Violina. Please report to the principal's office immediately.
Is there a problem, sir?
Hell yeah, there is a problem. Violina, one of your classmates gave me video evidence that you and your 2 little friends pulled the fire alarm. What do you have to say about that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Sure you do. I already know it was you because of video evidence. I am calling your parents right now.
Oh God. Did Violina misbehave again?
As a matter of fact, she did. The very generous Andrew Orozco gave me video evidence that showed Violina, as well as Ivy and Justin, pulling the fire alarm when there was no fire in the school.
What? Ivy and Justin, you are in very deep trouble right now.
Same with you, Violina. There will be very big consequences when we get home.
Violina, because you have pulled the fire alarm way too many times, you are hereby expelled from Violina Middle School. And as for Ivy and Justin, you are suspended for a whole month.
This is so unbelievable. Ivy and Justin, we are going home right now.
Violina, we are going home right now. Oh. Violina, when will you ever learn to not do stupid things? You have done nothing but misbehave for the past 2 years or so. That does it. You are grounded until Andrew or Roscoe decides to quit YouTube. Now go straight to your room, young lady. All of you suck.
Oh. Ivy and Justin, this has got to be the worst thing you have ever done in your entire freaking lives. You are in very deep trouble with the school. That does it. You are grounded until Violina Anderson gets terminated from YouTube. Now go to your room while your father and I think of a very big punishment for you.
Both of you suck my.